Good afternoon to everyone present out here. Today, I, Arohi Chettri of Class 8B, representing Sapphire House, is going to Spain. Is what I endure. It lives within me, and I am unable to destroy it. It attacks my heart, my mind, and my soul. It absorbs the warmth of my blood, and I'm cold. I begin to shiver as the pain drinks my blood. And now I cannot function. Damaging and severe pain is what I endure. It makes me feel weak. I'm falling apart. I suffer lonely, long and dark nights. So conscious and worried about what's next this pain has planned for me. In my mind, the pain is alive. It's terrorizing and haunting me. I feel it attacking me. I can see the pain before my eyes. It has its own identity. It's a thick, dark cloud that is giant, and it has its own feet. It can only stand when it stomps on me. It stomps on me until I'm flat and no more. It conquers me. And I am now defeated. But this pain is what I endure, and it's destroying me. Thank you.